Hey guys, good morning. How you guys doing this beautiful morning? Hope you guys are fine and keeping safe. So it's a beautiful Wednesday morning. Yeah. So about 3 days ago, 2 days ago, I plan on taking my family to a pool, swimming pool. Yeah, but my doctor declined that. She said she don't want to go and she's not fully prepared to go to the pool now. I said okay, and I understand her point. So, okay, where do you want to go? She said she wants to go to like park, like picnic. Okay, so that's fine. We can do that well. Maybe later in the month we can do the go to the swimming pool. So today is 7th, Wednesday 7th of August. Yeah, Ferry Augusto is coming. Ferry Augusto is sometimes it's 14 and be 15 of the every August. Maybe during that time we can be at the pool. I don't know. Fingers crossed, hope it happen. Anyway, guys, I'm about to prepare turkey sauce that I will take along with them this afternoon. Maybe they'll eat it with rice and take some fruit and some snacks with them. So I'm about to do all that. So let me just sit here and have a good time with you guys because you guys are my family. You are everything. All right, guys. I will see you soon later. Okay. Bye. And this is the turkey I'm using for the sauce.
I have searched many years on
This is
end.
the outcome of the sauce.
There
Finish making it.
was none
And it's going with us.
that my soul
I never be done. Teacher, say hi.
depend.
Naire.
My soul
See, this one is busy
cries
drinking.
out.
Hi guys. So guys, we are outside. We are heading to the park. Me and the family. This is Naire, Nevan, not Naire, Nevan. Like this Fanta a lot, so you don't want to drop it. It's just drinking it like that. So Daddy and Natasha and Naire, they are in front of us. All right, guys. I will see you people when we got to the park. Bye.
In His name I find the peace I seek.
Guys, this is the park. Oh, this is the entrance. Come.
In His name I
Ciao.
find the joy I seek.
And this way is the way the kids can play. See, they have all these things here.
I
Even there.
have searched many years on end.
Guys, this is the spot we are sitting in. There goes Natasha.
There
Nara is here.
was
Nara, say
none
hi. You want to
that
go and
my
take that?
soul
Hi guys, we are here in the park. So I'll show you the other side. Though maybe if I stand up from here, I'll show you guys the other side. It's just me and Naira that is here. Nevan is in the swing. Daddy and Natasha went to the supermarket. They want to get some things for them. Nevan, what are you doing? Naira, I mean, what are you doing? Naira. Nah. What are you doing? Say hi. Say hi. Look at Naira. My boy. He's very busy now. Maybe we'll talk to you guys later. Alright guys, I will see you guys when daddy and mommy sister is here. The mommy, daddy and sister. We have a Ludo game. Maybe if daddy can we'll play that. Never is always playing in the park. That park is there. It's always there. We'll be there today. Guys, this is the pond. He's not sleeping.
I am calm, waiting for the kingdom come. In your presence I am free from the chain that has bound me. In your presence I am calm, waiting for the kingdom come. In his name I find, in his name I find, in his name I find the peace I seek. In his name I find, in his name I find, in his name I find the joy I seek. I have searched many years on end. There was none that my soul could depend. My soul cries out for your presence.
Never.
In here.
Down.
This very hour, for your presence in here. In his name I find, in his name I find, in his
The entrance
name
on
I
this side.
find
This is the entrance. This is the gate you come in from. Then you can just see this Mandusha I've showed you guys before. So people can pass through the other road, and there is even this other side. You can go through here, then you see the park. This is the place where all the animals will stay. That's my girl and my baby. The park where the kids play. Nice. Where is Nevan? Nevan, where are you? Okay, here he is. Guys, we are going back home. All of us, we are exhausted. We are tired. You said what? We stayed there for 5 hours. And what? You don't like it? You did not enjoy it? Come, let them see your face. Come and tell them.
You did not enjoy this.
You did not enjoy it. And you did not like it. Why? It's full of what? She said it's full of dirty. Insects and the flies. Anyway, as for me guys, I enjoy it. At least another breeze blow into my soul. And I enjoy it. Never enjoy it the most. All the time, never was at the swing. You don't want to leave the swing. Was there all the time. Anyway guys, we are going back. I will see you guys when we get to the house, okay? Ciao.